Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kionda, or Kiki for short if I don't know. I also go by as Hard Shell Beauty for my social media handles. Handles on this week. But anyways, why don't you introduce yourself? I have a special guest with me. Let me say that. She's special. And she wants y'all to know that she's special.
Thank you so much for that.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm Anastasia Towns. I'm her little sister, even though I look older than her and I'm more mature than her. And I hope y'all really enjoy this video.
Why you gotta be
Make
so
sure you comment, like.
Yeah, whatever.
Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to her channel.
Alright.
And also mine.
Yes, I'll put her stuff below. But basically, we're just going to be doing our on-the-go look. This is like a rush look that we do when we're just trying to like get somewhere and run out the door really, really quickly. So that's what you're going to be seeing here. It may be a little confusing or all over the place because we have some characters, as you can tell. But I really do hope y'all enjoy. If there's anything we should work on, do better, or anything like that, just let us know in the comment section.
Free.
And even give us questions so we can, ask questions, next time and have something to talk about. But yeah, so get ready to see our quick, fast, like go look, like 5-minute look. And hit the dough. All right. Keep watching. Keep watching. Okay. Dab on dab on. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, y'all. So let's get this popping. So we actually already did our eyebrows like off camera. Honestly, I did mine off camera because they've been kind of playing games with me lately, y'all. Like playing so many games. Like. It's annoying. And I just put some eyebrow gel on them so they kind of look a little wet.
They
but
look good.
Thanks. So do you. You look good, girl. All right, so let's get started. So like we said
I am
before,
not a makeup artist. Kiki's a makeup artist. So.
All right, let's get started.
Okay. You got some spray for me?
Tell them what it is.
So this is rose water. It's kind of, her bottle is dirty, but
I am chocolate. What you think?
it has aloe and herbs in it.
Look at you.
It's grandma.
You can call back later. All right. So same for me. Okay. So like normally whenever I'm just like rushing or anything like that, I don't color correct. So I'm not gonna color correct today, or should I? No.
You can if you want to.
Yeah, I'm not gonna color. I'm just gonna do it like how we normally do it. I did all that stuff like in my next video. All right, so I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 413 F13. So
I usually use matte, but I'm using LA Girl because my matte is out, and it's the High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. I don't do all of that because I don't know how to do it. Because Kiki
do what?
Never taught me how to do that. So mine is just simple. Hers is high tech. I don't know how Kiki can do her stuff without.
I'm doing it now.
Ah!
All right. So Anna, tell the people a little bit about yourself.
So, I am 20. When did I turn 20? What?
Did you really just, are you playing games or are you just really?
Guys, I told y'all. I am 20 and I turned 20 in December. Okay. December 9th. For all the December babies out there.
I'm using a beauty blender to blend up the foundation on my face. And I'm just gonna gently pat in different areas of my face until it just, smooths in and looks good. And if I feel like I need more foundation somewhere, I will put more foundation somewhere. Put it in that area, so that's that. We gotta hurry up and make it.
Okay. Hey, babe. Our dog is hiding under the couch. Don't know why. But she is.
All right, so around my mouth area, it's a little dark, so I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation. That's why I use color correcting to get the dark spots away.
I surrender.
Anyway, so
Don't be laughing at me, Kiki.
it's me. I don't know. I am 21. I will be 22 this year. I'm telling y'all. I know y'all parents be like, don't grow up too fast, but do not grow up too fast. Like, take your time because I graduate literally in like less than 3 weeks, or about 3 weeks now, and I am super excited, but also nervous because of you never know what the world holds for you, and like being an adult or trying to be an adult and take care of business is the hardest thing ever.
I know. Kiki be like, you're finna turn 21. I'm like, girl, don't rush me. Take my time.
I'm gonna put on some blush though, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio called Pool Party, and I'm gonna use the color Pageant.
Yo, that's my name.
Pageant. Now I have high cheekbones, so I'm just gonna like put it up here, smile, and like put on the apples of my cheeks and just brush it in.
Kiki goes faster than me because she's definitely knows what she's doing.
Whatever. I forgot to put my lip color in here. You have stick in your bag? Okay, so next I am going to put on some highlighter, and I put the highlighters right here above my eyebrow, and then bro, chill. Oh, she's crazy. Shut up.
Oh,
I'm not sure
yeah.
where my highlighter at. So right now I need to buy some more highlighter, but I'm using it's dirty, y'all. The Carly Bible Beige Cosmetics palette. I don't know what palette this is, but I think it's her first one she did. Or maybe the second one. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna use the two highlighters right here. You can tell I kind of use them a lot and just kind of brush them. So I'm gonna put them right here. And I got a boyfriend.
Do I have a boyfriend, Kiki?
They don't know. I really don't know, to be honest.
Are we gonna talk about that right now? Are we gonna talk about that right now? Do you have a boyfriend, Kiki?
No, girl. At least I'm honest about it. You already be
She's lying to you guys.
Who I date? Tell me.
She be talking to everybody and their mama.
Girl.
Yes, you do. So don't be lying to them. Because they ain't do nothing to you.
Alright, I am done. This is just when I'm like running late for classes and I don't even want to like patrol in the morning or in the afternoon, I just boop, 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 and go like this, y'all. So this is how I do this. I am going to put on some lashes. I could put them off camera or put them on camera. Put them on camera, off camera.
Your lashes?
Mm-hmm.
You can put them off camera. I'm not putting mine on camera because curl.
Oh, but your face still look good though, low key. Look at you. Look at her coming up, coming up. Hey, look at her coming up.
Where is it? My stuff is disappearing.
All right, so what highlighter are you using? It's the Wet n Wild highlighter, y'all.
The Wet n Wild.
And
my top broke.
And the color 321B, 321B. Anyways, but so she takes forever to do her makeup, y'all. But I'm done. I'm finished. I'm ready. I'm gonna put on some lashes. We're gonna put on some lashes off camera because she can't do them on camera.
You said you can't do it either.
I've done it before. Anyways, Dylan's turn. All right, we'll be right back. All right, hey guys, we're back. We went off camera and applied us some lashes. Give me a little flutter. Give me a little flutter.
Mine was. I feel like I was.
All right. Anyways, but yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know it was kind of like a little bit all over the place, but that's okay.
Don't look at me like it was me.
You took forever. She acted like she didn't know what I told her to do beforehand, but
I thought she was gonna be doing my makeup. And
I said, Anna, let's go on camera.
Around.
And we've been talking about this, y'all. We have been talking about this, but it's whatever. But anyways, like I said, I really do hope that y'all enjoy watching this tutorial. Well, this tutorial of ours. You can follow me on Instagram at hardshell_beauty, or on I have a Twitter now, y'all. I'll post it up there.
Twitter.
Ain't got no followers yet, but I'm gonna plan to get some. I'm not a Twitter person. Everyone's like, get a Twitter.
My
so
friends
yeah,
made me get it.
and then I'm also on Snapchat. I'm put it right here as Kianda, and then tell me your stuff.
So my Instagram name is Anastasia.ar.t. Wait, it's _ Anastasia.
What is it?
Okay, guys. So, guys, my Instagram name is _ Anastasia.r.t. And you can follow me on Twitter with that same name. And you can follow me on Snapchat if you would like. And that's rarest.123. And don't judge my name. I made it when I was little and it just stuck with me.
Well, furthermore ado, don't forget my thing. Until next time, goodbye, my loves.